Welcome to Kiddo TV.
A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for home. H for home. I for insect. I for insect. J for jug. J for jug. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for spider. S for spider. T for teddy. T for teddy. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for whale. W for whale. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.
Please like and subscribe my channel.